There we go. Howdy y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Handy Monk, and today we're doing AC maintenance. I'm here in the basement where we're going to collect some AC filters because it's that time of year. It's just about summer and we're all turning on our air conditioning units. And when you do that, you want to make sure that you go ahead and replace those filters that have been sitting in there since last year. You know, they sit there as air is sucked into your air conditioner, it runs through a filter, that filter gets really grimy. So we're going to go ahead and change those out today. We're actually going to go upstairs to all the rooms because the filters are in each room. But we're going to grab the filters here in the basement, go ahead, grab a ladder, and get up there. So here we are guys, upstairs in one of the rooms, and I've located our intake vent for the air conditioning unit. It's held on here by just 6 flathead screws, and so this is literally a job that you just need a screwdriver to complete. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these screws out and we'll pop out the filter. One of the quick checks that you can do is to make sure, here's my filter, I've got it. And on the side, there's a label giving it direction of airflow. So you can see right here, it's telling you the airflow should go through the filter in this direction. So I just want to take my filter, hold it up to the vent. You can see, yeah, it fits perfectly. Actually, it's on right now, so the airflow is itself holding the filter up. Little magic trick. Now we're ready for install. We got it up there. Let's head down the hallway and start in the next room. While we're here, I figured we would take a look and see what a monk room actually looks like. So this is a monk room. It's really pretty simple. Most rooms have a bed and a nice desk and a bookshelf. This room right now is unoccupied, so it's rather empty, but they're all the same. Really pretty simple. Have a couple nice windows, give a view of the courtyard. And then of course, you have the hallway. And we do each have our own little bathroom and a closet. So it's really very nice. If I had to compare it to something, I'd say it's really dormitory style. Here we have a simple closet for the monk to hang his clothes, and it's really all you need, just the basics. So that's kind of a quick tour of a monk room. So there you have it guys, I got all the filters changed. It's a really good yearly maintenance item. They all went incredibly smoothly. It's just a matter of unscrewing the filter covers, and literally all you need is a screwdriver. Again, you want to make sure that you do this at least once a year so that the air coming in and cooling your place is nice and clean. That's it for this video. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, and leave me a comment below on what you think. Also, follow me on Instagram at TheHandyMonk for a sneak peek into upcoming videos and a little behind the scenes of the monastic life. And finally, as always, remember to go out, enkindle, and enlighten.